share about how to the slider dynamic. So first of all, we have to add custom post type. Like here WordPress has default post type, but we need the slider for custom post type. So how to add? So first of all, we have to add a function which name is register post type. So that's why I am now adding register post type, and the function has two parameters. First parameter is id parameter, second parameter array parameter. So I am now adding the id name. The id is ZTE LICCIO ZTSO slider. For purpose know the what is the id, so similar, that's why I add it. So that I add it. And now second parameter is array parameter. And first parameter is labels. Label has now array parameter, and then first public true, and then supports has array parameter, and then add menu icon. So first of all, we have to add labels argument. First is name, what is the post name, so that's why now I am adding slider. Name is slider, SLIDER, sorry, and then add domain name, supports. Okay, what is supports? Let's see. First of all, is our custom post type working perfectly or not working? Yes, if you see, here is new custom post type add, and our post type name is slider. Okay, we are missing the menu icons, so that's why I'm adding new menu icon. So we have to go developer resource WordPress. Like I am choosing these types: daisy icon, formats, clary. Just copy and paste the here. Let's see, our icon is working. Yes, our icon is working perfectly. Okay, if we see add new, by default here is now title editor, but there is no thumbnails, but we need titles, thumbnails, editor, and custom second title. So that's why supports, we have to say what need the post types. Let's see, we need, if we just add title, there will be show just title. There will be showing just now the title. Let's see, yes, that's title. If now I am adding editor. Here is the editor, and we need thumbnail. There is now image option. Yes, featured image. Okay, everything is okay. The custom post type is ready, but we need extra title, the second title, but here is no second title. That's how you have to add custom title. That's for need the CM. I am using CMB2 plugin as a theme option. So let's go. That's for need. That's right. Google CMB2. If you want to add advanced custom field, you can add the plugin which is advanced custom field. If you don't know, search YouTube. You can get many video advanced. What is advanced custom? There is need advanced custom field, so that's why I am using CMB2. Just go to GitHub and click the code and download the zip file, and then you will be when you will be extract the zip file, then you will be see this kind of folder, and the folder has many files. Thus we need the file. Thus we need the files. Okay. Already I downloaded the files. Just we need the field types. Okay, you can see the list of available field types. What kind of fields we can add? We can add title, text, small text, medium text, email text. There are many types here. You can read and add it. Okay, we need just text. Second title, that's why we need text. But we have to add those files. Just copy the file folder and paste the themes files. I am pasting. Just wait. Okay, it is working right now. I am just adding a slider is working. The slider custom post type. Okay, first title is there is first title. Okay, I am copying the title in the index.php file. Italian. First title is Italian. Okay, I have added Italian. Fair to sign. I don't know is right pronunciation. That's video purpose. I have said. Okay, and then add just the comment or text, default text. Okay, if we see everything is okay, and need the images. The first image is this is delicious. noodles image. Okay, our first slider is added. Okay, here is need second title. Okay, if we see, yes, our folder is here perfectly. I am changing the folder names like just cmb2. Okay, okay, the folder need our init.php and we have to copy the example.function.php and paste and rename the file name just function.php. Okay, we need to add first. Okay, we need to first the function the cmb2 folder files function.php added in function.php for files. So that's why I am adding first require once the folder name is cmb2 let's say cmb2 function.php. If we see our file is okay or not okay, yes, our file is not okay. I have missed something. Let's see what I have. I was wrong. Let's see. Okay, there is no need the slash. Everything is okay perfectly, and just delete. Okay, delete everything. Just by default I am string some code just for what I am writing. Okay, let's see. First of all, we have to add. Be careful, don't need to delete these files. If you want to add init.php, you can add by default. There is edit. That's why I don't need to add. But if you can delete and then you have to by default add it like directory name and file and add the folder name cmb2 and init.php. That's neat. Okay, there is by default has, that's why I don't need to add. Okay, and the last time I will be deleting the code. Okay, first of all we need function names like I am choosing a function name like cmb z d e l I issue slider like function, and then add action add. There is we have to add the arguments, and the argument cmv2 admin.init. I am copying the cmv2 admin.init and paste, and copy the our function name and paste the function name here. Okay, in this function we have to add the field name, like I am choosing I am creating a variable like slider, and we need new cmv2 boxes name function. Yes, it's by default because they has created, and here is array, and array has some arguments like id, title, object types, priority. Okay, by default id, title, object types. These three arguments we need. That's why I am copying and pasting, and paste. Change the id name, like the id name is that deli, that deli, so slider id name, and title slider second title. Where is that delay show? And object types, what we need to add, we need to the slider area, so copy the slider register post types id, the slider post type id, and paste here array argument object type. So our object types is now ZDLSO slider. Let's see is working or not working. If we see not working, okay, so we need add field type. Let's okay, that's what new we need slider variable and add right arrow sign and add field, and add array and add name like secret title, that delay show domain name, and description like You can add the second title here. Thus known the what is is and need ID like ID name is the daily share home slider like type text. We need text type. Let's see. Okay, there is no edit advanced custom field. We have to add like custom the init.php file. So I am copy like and paste and change cmb to let's see. Okay, what's wrong? Delete. Let's see. Okay, change require once directory or twice init .php let's okay, our advanced custom field working perfectly. Okay, just everything deleted the function.csv files and add first require once directory dir and add init.php file, and then we have to custom add new function like I am adding the function like the delete slider. You can add as you according to what you want to add, and add a variable and then add new cmp2 box. Okay, and id title object that's need mandatory, and add field what field you need to, and type text. Everything is okay, and make sure object type is what register post type you where register post type you where sorry the advanced custom field where you add like register post type the slider. That's why you copy this id and paste the object types. That's that slider.